Which two countries supported Communist North Vietnam during the Vietnam War? Soviet Union, China. Which region's people were the Scythians described by Herodotus from? The northern Black Sea steppes. What life attitude did Socrates emphasize, comparing an unexamined life to a certain state? Not worth living. What was the coalition of the United States, United Kingdom, and Soviet Union during World War II called? Allied powers. Why was the pharaoh regarded as a divine being in ancient Egypt? Believed to be the incarnation of the sun god Ra,